Facebook post yesterday about the Tamil Nadu police ban on the constitutional right to the news.
Yes,
what is the remedy?
I am shocked what the Tamil Nadu police is doing. I was told by Mr. Arun Kumar, he is here. He told me that when you comedians held a demonstration in support of Jallikattu in Dallas, the Dallas police said, "Sir, you don't need our permission. This is your constitutional right to take out a demonstration. Only please inform us so that we can give protection and also see that the public is not inconvenienced." So they posted 7 or 8 policemen who went along with these demonstrations. But they held the demonstration. But in Tamil Nadu, the police is not permitting even holding the demonstration peacefully. I mean, it's very surprising. American police is permitting holding demonstrations for Tamil Nadu. But Tamil Nadu police is not permitting holding demonstrations for Tamil Nadu. Wonderful. Strange. So I believe a petition has been filed. I was told by Kavita that it is coming off today, Sunday at 11 o'clock, which means at about 11 p.m. Dallas time. Because we are 12 hours behind.
Yeah.
It will be taken up on Sunday, a special. Normally, High Court and Supreme Court don't work on Saturdays and Sundays. But if there is an urgent petition and you request the Chief Justice that there is some urgency, then they can sit even on a holiday. And the Chief Justice will appoint some judges to hear that case. So Chief Justice has appointed some judges who will hear the case on Sunday, Indian time at 11 a.m. So which means today is Saturday.
Yeah.
By 12 o'clock or 9.
By midnight in Dallas, you will get the news what has happened in the petition. Because I said this is a constitutional right. Article 19(1)(b) of the Constitution says that every citizen has the right in India to assemble peacefully and demonstrate. This is your constitutional right. You don't need permission from the police for this. Only they can, police can see to it that there is no disturbance of public order. So, like the Dallas police acted, they send some policemen to see that the road is not blocked and all that. That's about all. Otherwise, this is your constitutional right. But I was told, Kavita told me that people went to the police commissioner in Chennai and said, look, Justice Kadu has put up a post that this is our constitutional right under Article 19(1)(b) of the Constitution to hold peaceful demonstration. What the police commissioner, as Kavita told me. Kavita, please inform them what they told.
Okay, first of all, I would really thank Justice Kadu because he was the one, we went to when all of this was happening. We got a news that, the protest was not permitted by the Tamil Nadu police.
You can come here and... Yeah.
So, the Chennai police did not permit our team, for the protest to be conducted in lot of public places. So what we decided was, Chandramonana and Ulavathai group decided that we will do the protest in a private area, that was YMCA ground in Chennai. We had to pay the price was all discussed and we were planning to book it for 5 days. But when we had an agreement with the management and the management agreed to give the ground for the protest, the Tamil Nadu police went behind and then threatened the management, and the management in the midnight called up Chandrana and other people, the organizers, and asked us to, and they just cancelled the booking. So then we were back to the pavilion. We did not have a place, and we had invited 500 farmers to Chennai to participate in the protest, and they were there, and you can just see them on live right now as well. They have been staying with a lot of our own fellow citizens in Chennai. So sir, I was talking to sir and then seek his expertise, and he had suggested some very great lawyers, if I have to say. Okay. So we got there, we got his advice, and then filed for a petition. We went to the Commissioner of Police and spoke to him as well. Again, they denied. They said that you cannot protest in the boundary of Chennai city. So, and then you can go anywhere and protest. Why don't you go to Delhi and do the protest since it's gone to Delhi? But we have at last filed for a petition, and thankfully the Madras High Court Justice have taken it as a special case, and we have hearing on Sunday 11 a.m. IST. So it's a great thing. I would really, very personally thank you. Tahe dil se main shukriya ada karti hu.
No, but see how shocking it is that how can the police say that you cannot peacefully demonstrate within Chennai? You know, if I don't block the road, if I and on one side I'm holding a peaceful demonstration, that's a fundamental right. When Dallas police is saying, I was told, Becky told me that he contacted the Dallas police. Dallas police said, sir, this is your constitutional right to demonstrate. And look at, see how the Dallas police is behaving and how the Chennai police is behaving. It's fantastic.